Imagine losing an entire house to fire and choosing to rebuild it in a completely different way. Pine Flat Residence, designed by Faulkner Architects, sits in the mountains near Healdsburg, California, exactly where an off-grid home was destroyed by the Kincade Fire in 2019. Instead of erasing what existed before, the new project begins by embracing that memory. The original foundation remained in place and much of the concrete was reused, turning the past into the literal base of the new architecture. From a distance, the house appears as a quiet, restrained volume, aligned with the contours of the land. Nothing here tries to stand out through form. The intention is different: to create a durable shelter capable of coexisting with a landscape increasingly shaped by wildfire. Because of that, the architecture works almost like a protective shell. A weathering steel skin wraps the main volume, providing resistance to time and fire. Sliding metal screens protect openings from embers, while exterior sprinklers reinforce safety around the most exposed areas. These choices are not stylistic. Each one comes directly from the realities of the site. But the house is not only about protection, it is also about time in a human sense. The design incorporates accessibility strategies that allow comfortable living over the long term: a gentle entry ramp, generous circulation spaces, provisions for a future elevator, and the decision to place the main bedroom on the same level as the social areas. Kitchen, dining, and living spaces share a single continuous plane, simplifying daily life and reinforcing a sense of slow. The relationship with the terrain appears in subtle ways. Parts of the former structure were transformed into new elements: steps, bases, and voids that bring light inside. Rather than reshaping the site, the house adapts to it, partially embedded in the slope and partially elevated, creating a balance between weight and lightness. Materials reinforce the idea of permanence. Concrete, steel, and glass are used directly and honestly, without unnecessary finishes, as if the house clearly understands its purpose: to endure, protect, and remain. Even so, the interior experience never feels heavy. Light enters in a controlled way, framing views of the landscape and constantly reminding you where the house belongs. Self-sufficiency is another central aspect of the project. The residence operates completely off-grid, supported by upgraded solar panels, full rainwater collection and storage systems that also serve as fire reserves. The collected water feeds a supplemental hydroelectric system using a Pelton wheel, then flows into a concrete basin where it remains in constant circulation, creating a quiet point of reflection within the architecture. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of Pine Flat residence is that it does not feel like a dramatic response to disaster. There are no heroic gestures. The architecture acts calmly, almost like a carefully tuned instrument shaped by its environment. In the end, this project shows that rebuilding can mean more than starting over. It can mean learning from the land, adapting to the climate, and creating a home that does not try to conquer nature, but learns how to live with it.